How to allow access to your Android with AnyDesk. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and in this video we will see how we can allow access to your Android device using AnyDesk. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to install the AnyDesk application in your Android device if you have not installed it yet. So you can open up the Google Play Store and search for AnyDesk and install the application. Once the application installation is complete, you have to open up the application. After opening the application, you will see a unique AnyDesk ID displayed on your screen under your address, as you can see right here. So this ID will be used by others to connect to your device. So you can copy or note down this ID to share with the person who needs the access. So you can share your address who to the person who wants to connect to a device either via messages or email. So once the other person enters your AnyDesk ID and sends a connection request, you will see a notification asking if you want to allow the access. So under that, you have to tap on access to grant them access to access your device. Then you can select whether you want to allow full control or just viewing your access. And during the session, you can adjust the quality of the connection and set permission from the toolbars that appears in the app. And at last, if you want to disconnect, you can either swipe out the AnyDesk application or simply tap the disconnect button from the toolbar at the top of the interface. So, by following the steps that I have discussed recently, you can allow access to your Android with AnyDesk. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.